that how you treat something reflects who you are? So, the slogan that I made is encapsulated in this Ilocano quote. Ayaten ti aglawlaw mo, akas panagayat mo iti sarili. As a kalikasan warrior, I would love to spread and share that the way you value yourself shows how you treat your surroundings. By doing eco-friendly habits, we can collectively create a ripple effect that transforms our community. Together, as one Gaptaran, we can weave a new tapestry, one that is equitable, sustainable, and harmonious. Agyaman, agsalukag kailian, abante Gaptaran. Okay, Binibinis 6. Kumusta? Kumusta si Binibinis 6? Okay, are you now ready to answer your question? Okay, may we have Miss Amira Christy Viernes.
Hello, Binibining 6. How are you?
I'm good.
I like your speech and your slogan is very nice. So here is your question. If you could take a visitor on a trip to experience one place in Gaptaran, where will it be and why would it inspire them to protect nature? I will repeat the question. If you could take a visitor on a trip to experience one place in Gaptaran, where would it be and why would it inspire them to protect nature?
Kailian, ilukatyu dagita matmatayo. Dagita lapayag yu ilukatyu. Kitanyu ti aglawlaw yu. I believe that if I were to have a visitor, I would choose our municipality here in Gaptaran. I would want them and I would love to show how beautiful our nature is, how beautiful the governance of our leaders are. Why? Because I believe, ladies and gentlemen, if you open your eyes wide and if you widen your minds, I believe that our nature is now suffering. And to show, there are 3 Is. To empathize, to educate, and to empower. I believe that these 3 characteristics will help me show how to love our Mother Nature. And I believe that these characteristics will not only make our world a better place, but it will make our world a flourishing, a prospering municipality. And I am here standing in front of you, not just to show to my fellow youth, but to my fellow Gaptareños as well. And I believe that my visitor would love to love our Mother Nature, because I am here standing as a Binibini that is meant to be. And I thank you. Thank you.